Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a topic that's essential for anyone dealing with taxes, businesses, or personal finances: the difference between an EIN and a TIN. If you're confused about these acronyms, you're not alone. They're both important identifiers from the IRS, but they serve different purposes. Let's break it down step by step so you can understand exactly what they are and when to use them. First off, what's a TIN? TIN stands for Taxpayer Identification Number. It's a broad term that the IRS uses to identify individuals or entities for tax purposes. The most common types include your Social Security Number, SSN, for U.S. citizens, and Individual Taxpayer Identification Number, ITIN, for those who aren't eligible for an SSN, or even an Employer Identification Number, EIN, in certain cases. Essentially, a TIN is like your unique tax ID that helps the government track your income and filings. Now, let's talk about EIN. EIN means Employer Identification Number, and it's specifically designed for businesses and other organizations. Think of it as a social security number for your company. If you're starting a business, hiring employees, or dealing with payroll, you'll likely need an EIN. It's a 9-digit number issued by the IRS, and it's required for things like opening a business bank account, filing business taxes, or applying for licenses. So, what's the key difference? While a TIN is a general category that can apply to individuals, EIN is a specific type of TIN meant for entities. For example, if you're an individual freelancer, you might use your SSN as your TIN. But if you incorporate your business, you'll need an EIN to separate your personal and business taxes. One isn't better than the other, they're just tools for different situations. In 2025, with evolving tax regulations, it's more important than ever to get this right to avoid penalties or delays. Interestingly, there are some overlaps. An EIN is actually a subset of TINs, so in some contexts, you might hear them used interchangeably. However, always check IRS guidelines to ensure you're using the correct one for your needs. In summary, if you're an individual, start with a TIN like an SSN or ITIN. For businesses, go for an EIN. Understanding this distinction can save you time, money, and headaches during tax season. If you're ready to apply, head to the IRS website. It's a straightforward process. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more finance tips. See you next time.